Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be my deck of penning finale. I've only been in it for 3 months, but it's the finale. So if you want to see what I have rolling out and where we landed at the end of the year, well then, keep watching. We're going to jump right into it. My name is Marie and I am a beautiful mess. Here on my channel, I do a lot of project panning content, eyeshadow content, and really any other kind of makeup content that I can think of. So sit back, relax, and join me on a magical makeup journey. So like I said, today is my finale for my deck of panning project pan. This project was created by Emily and Max, who took inspiration from a TBR game from Books with Maddie. In the description box down below, I'll have a link to Emily's channel as well as the community playlist, as well as her intro video. But I know that she has said that she's going to be creating a new intro video for 2024 because she is bringing this project back. So if you're interested in joining us in this project, make sure you subscribe to Emily and Max and keep a lookout for that intro video to the Deck of Panning Project Pan. I only started this in September because I'm always late to the party. It is something that I have absolutely loved doing and I am absolutely going to be joining back in. So it did end on the 20th of December. I'm a little bit late to filming. We're going to get 1 month off, so I'm not going to be pulling any cards today. And then it's going to pick back up on January 20th. So I'm here to share with you my progress on my final products for this project. As always, I'm going to start from the top and work my way down. Product number 1 was for the Queen of Clubs, in it for the long haul, and I chose my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner stick in the shade brown. This is what it was looking like last month. Oh, I always seem to do that with this because it's getting so tiny. I can't pull it out. I put the cap on too tight. This may be the end for this eyeliner. I just had it open to do the measurements on it. There we go. Well then. And this is what she is looking like this month. Almost done, you guys. I can barely sharpen it when I put it in the sharpener. I have definitely been loving using this, and it was absolutely a good idea to be rolling this in for the fall time. The bottom of the pencil started at the bottom of the paper. This is where we were looking like in September. This is where we were looking like in October. Of course, between October and November, I didn't have a lot of usage because of my skin issues. And then this is where we are sitting today in December. So definitely feel like I got a lot of use out of this, and I do anticipate that this is going to be an empty pretty soon. I call that a win. Product number 2 is for the 5 of Hearts, which corresponded to the prompt pattern. Choose an item that has a pattern in it, and I chose my Benefit Hula Bronzer. My goal on this was to try to wear away the embossing, and this is what it was looking like last month. And this is what she is looking like today. I will also take a picture just to make absolutely certain that you can see the embossing and how far down we've gotten. As you can see, I did not totally wear away the embossing, so goal not met on this, but I did get some good use out of this. The first month that it was in this project, I used it 3 times. The second month that it was in the project, I used it 5 times. And this past month, I was able to use it 11 times. For a total of 19 uses. I do feel like this is a very great bronzer for me for the winter time, so I might end up continuing to use it. And who knows, maybe by the time winter is over, I'll have hit pan on this. Product number 3 was for the 4 of Clubs, which corresponded to the prompt Baked. So I did choose my MAC Mineralized Blush in the shade Humor Me. This is what she looks like. I had put a goal on this of 15 uses. In the first month, I used this twice. In the second month, I used this 5 times. So I had 8 uses to go to hit my goal, but unfortunately, I did not meet my goal as I only used this 6 times this past month. So goal not met, but you know what? I still feel like I made good progress on it. I'm not too sad about it. I absolutely love this blush for the fall. I'm very happy that I bought it, and a brown blush now is in my collection. So hopefully next fall it'll get some more use on it. Product number 4 was for the 8 of clubs, which that prompt corresponded to highlight. So I did choose my Milani Baked Highlighter in the shade 110 Dolce Perla. I put a 20 use goal on this because I hadn't used this since I bought this, and I wanted to see what my thoughts are on it. And this is what she looks like up close and personal. The first month I was able to use this 3 times. The second month I was able to use this 5 times, which meant I had 12 uses to go this past month. But I only ended up using this 10 times. So close yet again, but I definitely feel like I got my thoughts on this. This is a very good everyday highlighter. It's actually what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. It's not blinding, and it's very good for an everyday highlighter. So this is definitely something that I'm going to be reaching for in the future. And thanks to this project, I now know that about this product. Product number 5 corresponded to the Queen of Hearts, and that prompt was easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I decided to roll in something non-makeup. I rolled in my L'Oreal 1.5% hyaluronic acid because I thought this would be pretty easy to use up. And indeed it was, because it's empty, you guys. I did, in fact, use it all up. With my dry skin issues, I am using hyaluronic acids like nobody's business. So this is the only thing that's rolling out. Here is where we would usually draw more cards to pick more products, but since this is the finale, we're not going to be doing that. But thank you so much for coming along with me on my journey. And if you enjoyed my Deca Panning Project Pan, like I said, this is going to be coming back next year. So thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I always love when you do. Don't forget, if you like what you see, to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. It lets YouTube know that you like my content and that other people with the same interests as you will like my content too. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.